Hey, this is Allie, and I'm really excited to tell you about this new shower caddy. This one is fabulous. I just put this one in, and I'm dying to show it to you. This is by Royal, and I really love this one. It's super sturdy. It looks fantastic on, and it was so easy to put in. So it arrived in this box. For transparency, I received this for free, but it never affects my review. It comes with two. It comes with little hooks that you can hook on the outside so that you can put your razor, your little puffs to wash yourself. Those can be hung on the outside of this as well. I love it because you can see this is really sturdy. It's incredibly well made. And for me, having something that's really well made in the bathroom is super important to me. I don't want to have to go and grab something and have everything fall apart. This has been wonderful. It comes like this, and on the back is a clear adhesive, and it's a really strong adhesive. Before you put this against the wall, I washed the area, dried it down completely, left it for 20 minutes so I could make sure that it was totally dry. And once you put this up, it's not going anywhere for a while. It really holds strong, and I love that. On the other side of the adhesive are these little clips right here. And all you have to do, on the back here, you can see this little extra center area, and it just slides on just like that and holds really nicely. It has 3 of those like that. So once you get it on, you're good to go. For me, I thought it was easiest if I actually hooked this first and then removed the adhesive. So when I put it up, it was already ready to go. I didn't have to try and feed the little hooks into the back of this because it was already ready. I thought that that was the easiest way to do it rather than to try and hook them after. But I know everybody has their own way of doing it. I just thought that that was the easiest way for me to do it. And it has held strong ever since. I absolutely love it. It looks incredibly nice in my bathroom. I love that it has this wide space right here. And it's not too tall. So I can put everything in here and have it stay incredibly nicely. I love that it's open on the bottom so the water just goes right through it. It's not gonna pool. I love that. I definitely love these shelves. I give these ones a really high rating, and I hope that helps.